welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do some decorating, or Christmas decorating I should say, and I'm going to decorate the living room and the kids bathroom today. I'm going to try to get as much as I can done today and see if I can edit it all in today, but let's just see how we can get that started. So I'm just going to open up our curtains to let in some light, so we can have some good filming light. Okay guys, so this is how the living room is looking right now. See my lovely florals. Those are real flowers that my hubby bought me just a few days ago. So yes, they are still fresh. And then the couch, I am going to be changing out the pillows and fluffing up the old pillows. I did just get through cleaning in here. That's why you're seeing, yes, the vacuum lines. And we're just going to get started in here. So as I said earlier, I'm going to start with the pillow covers. And if you watched my last video on the Christmas haul that I did, I ordered these pillows on Amazon. 2 were in the set, 2 of the red, 2 of the cream, and I believe I paid $9.99 for both sets separately. I got this throw from Target. I actually got it on Black Friday, and the original price for it is $10, but I paid $5 for it, and I just thought that this would have been the perfect add-on to the couch. It's red and white stripe, almost like a candy cane, and I wanted something that if I wanted to leave it on all year, I can. Now onto the coffee table. So I'm gonna show you guys a quick DIY. If you watch any of my previous video, you've always seen this little wood stand here. I got this from Dollar Tree for $1. I'm going to use this to hold my coaster. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna unscrew this little hooking piece that comes on the back of it, because intentionally it's supposed to be something that you hang on the wall. And then I had this rhinestone mesh wrap that I had on hand, and I'm just gonna wrap it around the frame of this just to give it a little bling and bring a little bit of that holiday sparkle on it. Hot gluing it on only on the corners, just in case I want to take this back off and leave it plain. And if that's pretty much it, you guys. I mean, it's almost like a no-brainer. You just flip it over and it becomes a holder for your coasters. I'm using a burlap mesh as a table runner on my coffee table. I've had this for like maybe a year or 2 for other purposes, and everything else you see me add to the table I've actually had on hand and used it different places in my house currently or from last year, like that lantern that's actually been in our master bathroom. And you know, just moving stuff around, sometimes you just don't need to buy everything new, just shop your home. Kids bathroom. So now it's time to move out all of the beach theme. I will clear out those shelves. I probably will leave the greenery there. The hand towel, kitchen towel, hand towel I'm going to put there. I did already clean my kids bathroom, so let's get started making it festive. So first things first, the shower curtain. Now this is something I also had for maybe 2 or 3 years, and I actually forgot where I bought it, but this shower curtain is the same length of their curtains, because the curtains that they have in their bathrooms are actually linen curtains, and it's a very lengthy shower curtain. So I didn't have to do much adjusting with the shower rod, so just taking it down, taking it on, and adjusting it to the correct height so that it still have that long overflow at the bottom. Now on to these shelves. Now I did something similar like this in our master bathroom, but however, because this is the kids bathroom and also act as the guest bathroom, I wanted to make it a little bit more festive. just a little more time to get the perfect arrangement that you want, or at least would be able to love to look at. These reindeers are obviously from Dollar Tree, but I added the red bow around their necks just to tie in the red that I'm incorporating in this bathroom. And I also wanted to put these reindeers in there because, as you can see, there's a lot of reindeers floating around in here. So let's just call this the reindeer and snowflake bathroom. But as you can see, it's kind of tilting a little, but I did use command hook on the back of them just to get them to stick to the wall firmly. And this is the final result of my kids' red and white Christmas theme bathroom.
Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?
Also, if you guys want to see how I put together this red box centerpiece, go and check out my Instagram page at Designs with Jenna, also the same tag, and I did a quick little Christmas DIY on it, so go over there, check it out.
It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand.
Hey guys, so that's going to be it for today's video, decorating the living room and the kids' bathroom. As you can see, it's all red and white with a little accent of greenery and the gold on that wall. So again, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and come back for more, because I think the next video is probably either going to be the multicolored Christmas tree or the tablescape. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!
Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time.